I know, mate, you want to block some countries on Facebook page or want to show your content in specific countries. Don't worry, I will guide you step-by-step process of how to block any country on Facebook page. It's pretty easy, mate. First of all, your Facebook application, and then tap on this profile icon. From here, switch that page on, which you want to block any country, like I am selecting my Facebook business page. Then again, go there and scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings, scroll down, and here you will find the option Followers and Public Content. Tap on it. In the bottom, you will find the option Country Restrictions. Tap on View. From here, select the restriction type as we blocking some country, so we will choose the second option that hide from certain countries. Go back and tap on countries here. Search for the country you want to block, like I'm searching for Canada, Germany, or you can block any country you want. There is no worries. Once added, your changes will be saved automatically. As here you can read, you can choose to show your page to people in certain countries or hide it from people in others. If no countries are listed, your page will be visible to everyone. But now we marked some countries in our blacklist, so for sure it will work. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.